Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change transmission fluid Ford Taurus, only way. Start by parking on a level surface and engaging the parking brake, then lift the vehicle safely using jack stands. Next, locate the transmission pan and drain plug, and prepare a drain pan to catch old fluid. Wear gloves and eye protection, and keep rags handy for spills. Follow torque specs when reinstalling the pan and refill slowly through the dipstick tube. Begin with the engine warm but not hot. This helps the transmission fluid flow freely. Place a drain pan under the transmission pan and carefully remove the drain plug or loosen the pan bolts to release fluid slowly. Allow the fluid to drain until it flows in steady drips, then reinstall the plug or hand-tighten pan bolts before torquing to spec. Clean the pan and magnet to remove debris before reassembly, and wipe any spills immediately. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making clear, practical tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after a messy fluid job. It's a small comfort that makes a big difference when you're done working under the hood. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After reinstalling the pan with a new gasket, slowly refill transmission fluid through the dipstick tube using a funnel to avoid spills. Add fluid until you reach the lower service mark, then start the engine and shift through all gears to circulate fluid. With the engine idling and warm, recheck the dipstick level and add fluid in small increments until it sits between the proper marks. Dispose of old fluid responsibly at a recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.